And can you tell us a little more about your background? Because I've heard you mention first queer, and you would be the first woman for a Chief Justice seat here in Texas. But, what else makes you the right person for that particular role?
So, very quickly, and you probably have already heard this, Joey, but I grew up, very transient, and we were homeless for a lot when I was a child. I was in and out of school. I went to 8 different elementary schools in 3 different states before I was 10 years old. And then when I turned 10, my mom just stopped taking us to school altogether. When I was 11 and a half, we were living in our car in New Mexico, and I begged her to enter the consequences in Mexico. And I begged her to put me back in school. And so she drove me home to Texas, left me at a gas station 2 miles from my father's house, and drove away. I didn't see her again for 11 years. And the only one of my 8 siblings who's ever attended university or graduated from college. I was a teacher and a foster mom. And then I went to law school so that I could advocate for kids and families who were like me and my siblings. So I've handled thousands of matters in the court and from all sides of the docket. I have reviewed or authored hundreds of opinions. I have led or directed the operations of large organizations. So I bring tremendous legal and organizational experience to the seat, but I also bring a lived understanding of what so many Texans who come before the court who have experienced. It is a voice that we do not have on the Supreme Court. And I